nga, good day mga biyero. For this video, samahan nyo pumunta dito sa Bike Demo Expo. So, last day today, December 1, ayun no? December 1. Last day today, kasi next time sa November 30. So, this event is 7 AM to 5 PM. So, late na ako nakarating. Time check 2:16, maulang kasi, ayun no? Kita-kita, walang daya, maputik. Ayun no, yung event to, event place. Then, yun yung bike parking. Samahan nyo ako. Tagal kong di nag-upload sa mga followers ko. So, samahan nyo ako dito sa Philippine Demo Expo. Dito sa CCP sa may Pasay. Bali, second event to this year. Kasi yung una is sa UP. Tama po, UP. Namamatay na ako sa UP. Yun, sa second time dito sa Pasay. Sige, shoutout kaya.
Hello po.
Ito yung magigiting natin ng mga sa mga partial natin sa parking ng bike. On the way tayo guys, paano? Pag sa entrance. Bayad tayo, yun dun. Sa main entrance. Bayad tayo dun. Tapos yung mga tent to. Laki. So, bayad muna tayo dun. Bago tayo pumasok. Shoutout sir. So ito yung price ng demo entry ng 50. Yan. So yung pagkagagamit ng mga bike pag-demo, mga pan-demo doon, so 250. Bike pass kung papasok yung bike mo sa loob, additional 100. Ayan po siya. Entrance tayo dito. Bil tayo dito. Bil tayong t-shirts. XL po man.
Sure.
Ito yung t-shirts.
Gusto niyo po
maganda. Sublimation yan ma'am, no?
Oh, yes, sir.
How much po yung price?
Wow!
Sige po, isa po, XL
Sukat
po.
niyo po?
Po.
Ito. Pwede niyo po ipato.
Sige. Dito tayo magpapatikit. 150 rin charge. Ma'am, ticket po. Yun ma'am. So ito yung ticket ko. Yan. Ano yan, may kasama to raffle. Raffle na mga bike accessories and ganun pa sa bike, I'm not sure pero last year kasi sa UP may bike na ganun raffle Ayan. Meron pa tayong sticker. Pasok tayo sa loob. Suotan natin yung yung t-shirt ng Bike Demo Expo dito sa CCP. 450 siya, sublimation. Next time binili ko. And ito yung main entrance. Pasok tayo dyan. Right, let's go.
Diner.
I love it. It's like an American diner.
Is that a real diner that you actually offer?
So pagpasok mo dito sa event, kaliwa, Bike Plus. Then kanan ito. Ano to? Cycle Arta. Saan punta? Kanan kaliwa. Siguro play right muna tayo, kanan muna tayo. Kanan tao.
Hello, ginawa ko.
KTM Bikes. May mga bike apparels. Ayun. Bike jersey. Sale. Jersey. Team bike. Basket. Solid to How much?
Marami silang bili ng
Ayan, Cristo. Pwede mo pa sa loob. May additional charge 100. Pag 150 lang, yun yung entrance feed. Shorts eh.
Is that your telephone number?
Hey, performance. Ito pang akitang bundok, pang trekking, kabiking. Solid. This one bike jersey na yun.
And what was the concept behind the bear on a bicycle? By stage living. I think that's the whole entire life. I love the fact that it's all about like and fun and eating with friends. On a bicycle with bags, diba? With a message.
Giant bike, solid, ganda.
D28
Where is it
near
here?
the spring.
I suppose it's virtual.
Helmets. Like helmets.
helmet.
10% off.
Right.
Then there's the phone taking the biker away.
Bike for kids.
Parang hinahanap po tayo para
Maru.
tayo.
Abducted by
Maru.
We have more of the branding na.
Giant guys ah.
So, yeah.
Pwede mo gamitin yan.
Maris
Okay.
Kami nakagay ng
May I
bike.
ask,
So, pwede mo
where
gamitin.
are you guys
Solo mo lang,
from?
siyempre.
Where
off with 6 months validity. Yes, you did it right. I mean, you heard it right. So, again, if you're going to avail of our vouchers today,
Shoutout sa grupo nyo. Gahi ni Reynante. Mabuhay kayo.
Uy!
This is nice. Merong race colors.
May pabir na lang. Ayan, solid. Woo!
Checker flag.
You know, the fruit statement. Solid.
Gian
Bye.
Carian.
Gian Carian.
2464.
Gian Carian. Wala. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala.
So birthday pinaparapol. Ano yung bike eh? No?
Novella.
Ano yung bike? Nanalo ng dalawa. The bikers.
3041.
Martin.
Simong perfecto.
3041.
Host.
Grace Salas.
Is that the one? Ay, ikaw yun. 301. By after. So eventually, around 3, the rain stopped already, and that in itself is answered prayer. Okay, you can also buy the shirts there. Up front, there's stage. Pakitin natin, pakitin natin.
Ayan na. Tama rin sila ng announce.
The whole family.
Sabi ka niya.
Wow, the whole time is here. Hooray!
Excuse me, ikaw na naman. You know, she won a camelback earlier on, and now she's on stage again. There are some lucky people when it comes to camelbacks.
That is for
Love on you guys. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Picture muna tayo kay Sir Dan. Kay Sir Dan naman dito sa likod. About face
Yan,
muna
about
tayo.
this tayo. This is tayo.
Yan, photo.